Civil authorities have issued a contagious disease warning for all of Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma and Texas. Around Tuesday this week, an unnamed virus was spreading rapidly across the southwestern United States. 73 people have been hospitalized and 32 killed. This virus is not related to the COVID-19 virus. Symptoms of this virus includes sweating, puffy or red eyes, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of consciousness, and confusion. It is unknown at this time if it is airborne or direct contact to this virus. All non-essential travel will be prohibited until further notice. Check media for updates and information. If you or a loved one is experiencing these symptoms, call 911 immediately.